so today I'm going to be doing my 9-month Boxycharm update. I did a review on my 3-month update and my 6-month update, and it is now the end of my next Boxycharm cycle, which brings me to a total of 9 months. If you would like to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have a referral link below that you can sign up with, and I believe I get points and sometimes you get a bonus too. But yeah, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm and you would like to use my link, I would definitely appreciate it, but otherwise no worries if you don't want to. So I like to do these videos just to kind of give you guys an idea of what kind of products you can get through Boxycharm and what you can expect from month to month. So I will go through and break down everything in this video, talking about the prices of each of my boxes from September, October, and November. And I will also go through and let you guys know like how many products did I get, what is the average price per item, how much have I spent overall, and just, you know, a whole lot of kind of data nerd statisticy kind of things. And then I will also give you an update on the entire 9 months from March to November. So starting off with September, my box's value was $117. And this was a little bit of a rough month for me for Boxycharm wise, because out of the 5 products in my box, there was really only one I was really about, and that was the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. I still really like this palette. I feel like the colors are just very nice, and I was overall very impressed with the quality of it, and I was very pleased to get it in my Boxycharm. And of course, it was more than the value of what I paid for the box, so it still made it worth it for me, even though the other, 4 products I wasn't a huge fan of, which was the Laura Geller blush, the brush trio from Alamar Cosmetics, the Butter London roller eyeliner, and finally the liquid lipstick from, I think it was called Henry and Hank. I think that was the brand name. So for September's box, the average price per item in my box was $23.40. So next was the month of October, and this one was a little bit better for me than September was. The value of my box was $134, and of course I got 5 products in that box as well. Out of the products that I liked, number 1 was the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm still using that now, and I still really like it, and that one was, I think, about like a $24 value mascara, so that alone is worth more than the value of my box. The next product I got, I did like the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Mother. I'm not a huge fan of Kat Von D anymore, but I do like her liquid lipsticks, and I feel like it's okay because I'm not directly supporting her. But so I did like that product. And then one of my all-time favorite products I think I've gotten from Boxycharm at all was the Green Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. That one I believe was about a $22-ish value, and I am still using that product, and I really, really love it, and it's a really good cleansing balm. So I was definitely really excited to get that in my box. As far as for a couple unloves, I did like the Dermovia Black Peel Off Mask. However, I think the lace was just a little bit gimmicky, and the price that they were, quoting for that, basically you were just getting this little bottle of a peel off, black kind of a charcoal mask. That alone really is kind of what you were getting in this box, and they were calling that a $30 value, and I think that's just bananas. So that's why I kind of just had to go in my unloves, because that was just a ridiculous amount of money for what you got. And then the last unlove, it's still kind of not quite an unlove. I would have to say it really kind of borders between I like it or I could leave it, and that was the Masquerade palette from Pure. Overall, I did like the colors of it, but I just haven't been reaching for that very much. And I would have preferred if they had some more matte colors in there, because all the face products were shimmer, and I think all the eyeshadows except for maybe one were also shimmer. And finally for November, this one was another really good box for me personally. So the value of my November box was $109.89. So it was actually the least, I guess, value-wise for the last 3 months of my boxes, but I did really enjoy a lot of products in here. So there were, again, 5 products that came in this box, and first one was the eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty. Now I really love this palette, but unfortunately I already owned it, so it was kind of like not an unlove, because I definitely really like the palette, and it's really nice quality, and I think it's so beautiful. So it was kind of like, if I didn't already own this, that would have been so perfect, but unfortunately I did already own it. Next was the Cover FX Custom Glitter Drops. Now, I really liked these at the beginning when I first opened my box. I was super excited about it. The more I thought about it, I've almost kind of like not liked it less, but I'm just trying to find a way to make them useful for me. I find that they are a little bit too oily to use on my eyes as like a glittery eyeshadow. Another thing I kind of unexpectedly ended up liking was the brushes that came. They are from Luxie Beauty. They're actually these very small brushes. I have one of them right here, and I liked about 2 of them really for using for my eyeshadow, and so I did like those. And then I also put the eyelashes in my loves category as well. I haven't used them yet still, but I really like them. And then the only unlove I had for that month was the Jaunt Blue eyeliner. It was a pencil black eyeliner with like gold glitter kind of running through it. It was just too hard of a pencil to use on my waterline, and I just feel like we're kind of past that in the beauty world. So unfortunately, that was the only unlove that I had for the month of November. So now I will go through some overviews of the stats for September to November. So I did a 3-month prepay plan, and that brings my total to about $59, you know, every 3 months. So that breaks it down to $19.66 per box. That is what I pay. If you do it monthly, it is $21 a month. So you get a little bit of a discount if you do the prepaid plans. So from September to November, the total value of all of my boxes combined was $360.98. And if I subtract the $59 that I paid into to kind of get the box, that leaves me with $301.98 of essentially free product. And out of those 3 boxes, I received a total of 15 products, which brings the average price per item to $24.07. So now moving on to the entire lifetime that I've had Boxycharms. This is going to cover from March to November. So like I said, I did the 3-month prepay plan, and that comes to $177 is how much I have physically paid for all of the boxes that I've gotten so far. Again, that brings the price to $19.66 per box, and the total value out of all 9 of those boxes combined is $1,163.11. And if I subtract the $177 that I paid into it, that leaves me with $986.11 of free product. Out of those 9 boxes, I have received a total of 47 products, so that brings the average price per item to $24.75. So usually at the end of this kind of update, I decide, am I going to keep or am I going to cancel my subscription? And I think I'm gonna do it for another 3 months just to kind of at least get a full year of Boxycharm under my belt and see, you know, is it really worth it for me? Do I want to keep spending the money, or, you know, is it time for me to cancel? So yeah, so I think for the time being, I will go for one more 3-month cycle and hopefully do another update whenever I have gotten all of those items. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.